I hang on to thoughts of you, but can it erase and knowing they won't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this gold glitter cut crease look with a winged liner, bold lashes. It's just really popping and I love the way this look came out. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell button down below so you guys can always get notified for whenever I upload. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by priming my eyelids with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. So I'm going to be taking this newer palette. I've never used this brand before. This is pinkyrosecosmetics, and this is the Center Stage palette. I got this palette when I was in New York at the Ricky's store, and it's super, super pretty. I love all the colors. I'm going to be taking this shade Havana and this shade called, what is it, Weekend? Yeah, I'm going to be taking these two shades, and I'm going to be popping that into my crease. This palette doesn't have a black eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take a black eyeshadow from a different palette and I'm going to be deepening up the crease and the outer thirds of my eye. Now I'm just going to go in with that orange shade again and just blend the harsh edges here. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease and I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Before I do anything on the lid, I'm going to go ahead and blend out these edges here. Blending brush. And I'm going to take the two shades Weekend and Havana. And I'm just going to blend those edges with the concealer and the black eyeshadow meet. I'm just going to pat, 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 pat. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Floodlight, and it's this gold shade right here. It's super pretty and super creamy. I really, really love the consistency of these eyeshadows. I used it on my clients last weekend, and oh my gosh, so beautiful. I love them. So I'm just gonna take this all over this area, and just, it's so pigmented. I didn't even wet my brush or anything, like. Okay, now I'm gonna take this like glittery shade. It's called Infamy, and it's literally a glitter, like a pressed glitter. And I've never used a pressed glitter before on myself, so this is Life, and I really, really love the shade. I just pat it right on, so it's not like too crazy, but it just gives me what I need. Okay. The lashes I'm going to be wearing today are my Shaniah lashes from bahicosmetics. And I do have a discount code with Bahi. It's just Makeupbyshaniah. I'll leave it right here on the screen and down below for you guys to check out. Okay, now that the eyes are done, it's time to move on to the face. Okay, my face is feeling a little bit dry right now, so I'm gonna use some of my bahicosmetics sunflower serum. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that Like, I feel dry, you guys. Like, what's going on? So for foundation today, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Okay, I'm going to use like this big, like fluffy kind of foundation brush. This is from Shop Miss A. This is the F23 brush. And I'm just going to take some of this foundation on the back of my hand. Use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, and I'm going to be using the shades Tan and the shades Caramel, and they finally extended the shade range, so like that's cool. But just one thing I hate about this is the applicator is just, it's just not it. It's really not. It's not sanitary, and it's just not cute. And it takes forever to get product out, and then when you do get the product out, it's too much, and you're just like, you know, you're kind of annoyed. Ooh, this is gonna be too light. Blend all of this out with a beauty sponge. I'm gonna take a bit of my ColourPop concealer. Just get right under these. So I'm gonna set my under eye concealer with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Now it's time to bronze and contour up the cheeks and stuff. I'm gonna take this, the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take this shade called Fez. I'm gonna use that to kind of just like bronze up my cheeks a bit. Saharan blush palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take the shade Zara and Lila. These two shades are here, and I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones. For lips today, I'm going to be taking two different glosses. I'm going to take the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Gloss and the shade Midnight Cowgirl. And then I'm going to take ColourPop's Flutter Valley Lip Gloss on top of it just to give it a little. Okay guys, so this is it for today's look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be leaving all the products that I used in this video in the description bar down below for you guys to check out. You guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram and Snapchat if you want to. All at Makeupbyshaniah. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.